welcome to my channel. My name is PALAK Hingu and my channel name is also PALAK Hingu. Today we are making an angry bird. See friends, I have made it. See? I'm angry bird. I'm angry bird. I'm angry bird. I'm angry bird. Let me show you the material. First this shell was like this. Then after painting it, then it become like this. I have already cut the feather, eyes, wings and mouth, and I have already taken the fabric. Let me show you to make. First this eyes we have to stick at here. Finish sticking one eye, then I will stick the second eye. I am putting Fevicol at on. Now I will stick the second eye. Then I will stick the mouth. I have already put the double side cello tape at here. Then we have to stick like this. Then we will stick the wings. Then we have to take the wing and fold it little bit. Another also we have to do like that only. And we have to stick at the coconut shell. I finished sticking one wing. Now I am sticking the second wing. Then we will stick the feather, and like once only we have to fold and we have to stick at here upside. Now I finished sticking the feather. Now see friends, my coconut shell angry bird is ready. Dun, dun, dun. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.